Hey guys, it's Alex here from Hannemann Ironworks, and today I'll be working on a claw hammer hatchet. Now, I'm looking to make this to throw, though that may not end up being its purpose. It's going to look kind of decorative, like a unicorn on one end and an axe on the other. I saw this idea from TURKEYLEG Forge, and I'll link him down below in the description. So if you want to go check out his video, by all means go ahead. I think it's a little while back, but I thought it was a really cool idea, and I ordered this hammer from Harbor Freight, and they broke it in shipping, so they sent me a new one for free. So I just tapped the handle out real quick, the rest of the handle, and I figured I might as well give my hand at making one of those hatchets. So right here, as you can see, it's not split all the way. I'm going to split it almost all the way back to the eye. I'm just going to use an angle grinder real quick to cut that. And almost like a barbecue fork, I'm going to draw these out individually and wrap them, which is exactly what TURKEYLEG did. And I really want to try it because it looked really cool. So by all means, let's go ahead and do it. You guys can kind of sort of see what I'm doing, how I'm trying to squeeze this little area. And I'm wedging it into my leg, and it's kind of jittering, but seems to be working. Alright, so these are pretty thin. I think it's time to try and bend it out of the way. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I've drawn this into a square from the rectangle, and I've drawn it out quite a fair bit. I think the original one was right about here, but the most importantly, I'm trying to clean this little area up here. Now as you saw, or I probably cut it out, but I took an angle grinder and kind of cleaned it up with just a cutting disc on it, like right in here. Because it looked kind of funny, and I want it to be, good. So I did that, and you can see how it's drawn out fairly well. It used to be about double the width back here. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Now obviously, I'm going to let you guys go for this one. It took me about half hour to get this darn one to work. It took a while. It's a lot, really picky, but I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to make this an axe, and then I'm going to finally drift this back to shape. So come along with me when I get to making the axe part. So come back with you in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so it's about time for me to retire for the night, mostly due to the fact that I have neighbors. and 10 o'clock, and the next door neighbors have little children. So I should probably wrap it up. But you can see here, it's kind of working. I'm still working on this little back end. Obviously, it's never going to be perfect, but get as close as I can, right? Also, an angle grinder has saved my butt a few times in here because I keep mashing it up a little harshly. But I mean, there it is. So keep working on it tomorrow. Alright guys, so I got the tines drawn out the way I like them. They're both parallel and about equal. Now it's time to work on the actual axe head. I will twist this up at the very end. So let's get working. Alright guys, so what I've done with the angle grinder really quick is grind out the fold that formed because I took it from such a thick and smashed it flat. You have to do that in order to not get a cold chip. So that's why I did, just ground to the top until it's solid steel. Alright guys, so she's pretty well ground out, at least to the profile I want it. I may come back and just do a little bit more profiling here. I did have to grind off about a 1/4 inch down of this because it was just starting to get all mangled. It's to be expected. Now, I am going to put these back together, I'm going to twist them, I'm going to dress them up a little bit quick because they are a little mangled as well. But without too much further ado, time to get twisted on this end and make a unicorn. Alright guys, so here's the axe. I will be putting a handle on it. I will be back with you when I have the handle on it. But I squished the eye just a little bit here, and trying to get it out with a drift really wasn't practical. So I will be taking a Dremel that I have right here, just to keep this little handy box with bits and stuff, as well as there's a little bit down here that needs some cleaning up. You can do this with a file, you can do this with a die grinder, a Dremel. If you have a small enough bit on like orbital sander thing, spindle sander. I have one of those. It's kind of broken. I have to fix it. I got it for free, so I can't complain. But I don't have a bit anywhere near small enough on that thing. So I'll be doing it with a Dremel and probably some file work on this as well. I'm gonna let you guys skip it, but just have to clean this up. And the eye is tapered like a wedge. These things come like a wedge. They don't come in an hourglass like your typical hammer that you'd be making. But yeah, so let me get the handle all set. If you want to watch how I make a handle or hang a handle, I'll put a link to it to a previous video I made of how to handle a handle or how to hang a handle up in the top right. So go check it out if you want to. Otherwise, I'll be back with you in just a second. Alright guys, so I'm all finished with it here. I got it all sharpened up, and I got the handle all burnt and then coated in boiled linseed oil, as you can see in this red can right here. The forge is missing. I had to recast the bottom. It's kind of crumbling out, so it's sitting over here, as well as another project that I've been working on during the time that I'm letting it heat up. That's why you can hear that little buzzing noise. But anyway, here it is. Got this thing will kill someone. So let's go to some testing, and then yeah.
So I just got a little board sitting on top of my anvil here, as you can see. Just nice and easy. Get centered up quick. Here we have it. Here's the axe. Alright, see it cuts. Damn it, so kill somebody. No edge deformation from what I can tell. Keep going there. Not a huge fan of that action because it's coming up and this point's really pointy. Right? It's also, there's 2 points, so spiral, you can spiral into the wood if you want, but that's sharp. Anyway, right? Oh yeah, solid steady blow in here. Not quite. There we go. There we have it. So you can see it's still very sharp. No edge rolling at all. And still we'll cut some hair off, so there we have it. There we have it. So as you can see, I mean, it will split wood. But yeah, so, again, still sharp as, well, as the day I sharpened it, which would be today.
Alright guys, so here it is. There we go. Thanks for watching. As you can see, it'll mangle. And as Dog Marcado would say, it'll kill. So, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like down below and comment down below what you thought of it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Catch you later.